Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today is kind of like a top 5 series video, but basically I'm showing you 5 different ways to style the blazer. The blazer is definitely one of my must-have pieces. I wear it all the time. I do have a video of top 5 closet essentials, which does include a blazer as well. So I will put that in the description box below if you're interested. I am going to show you 5 ways to style the blazer. I'm not always going to use the same blazer, but you are more than welcome to. Like, this will work for basic black blazer or a few other ones that I have. So this is the first look, very simple. If I ever am struggling with what to wear, I will always put on jeans, a t-shirt, and a blazer, and boots. So these jeans are A Goldie. They're the 90s style. I would definitely go down a size in these. These are size 24. This is a vintage t-shirt that I got. It's like a super old Hanes t-shirt. And then this is an Aritzia blazer. This is a size extra small, I think. But it is like oversized, kind of, it's supposed to look a bit like a boyfriend blazer. Please excuse the noise. I'm filming in a studio and the pipes are making noise, and it's so frustrating. I have to like sit here and wait for them to stop. Anyways, so first look. Super simple, classic, easy. Look 2, this is more kind of sporty, casual. I don't like wearing leggings as pants, but I think it's fine with this because you've got the blazer covering your bum. So I'm just wearing some leggings from Aritzia, and this is a cashmere hoodie from Aritzia. Super warm and comfortable, although I'm boiling in here right now. And this is also from Aritzia. I guess everything is from Aritzia. I don't know what to say. Oh, and Converse. But yeah, just really easy, comfortable, kind of like a little bit more put together, chic than just like workout wear, running errands. Look number 3, with these huge boots from Zara, which I'm realizing are making a lot of noise. Oops. I make a lot of noise when I walk. Anyways, leggings again, so comfortable. This is an oversized sweater from Zara, which is also incredibly comfortable. It's not itchy. It's acrylic, which means that it won't really last that well. Aritzia black blazer and a Brixton hat. So kind of like French/British. You could also just wear this with like slim black pants. You don't have to wear leggings or anything. What do you guys think? Okay, look number 4 before these pipes drive me insane. This is a mismatched suit. I actually wore this when I went to Victoria Beckham's spring show that she did in Toronto. She actually came in and like talked about it and everything. It was very cool. Anyways, this is what I wore. I felt very chic. These are Zara front slit pants. And then this is a Golden Goose, which is an Italian brand blazer. It's double-breasted. I'm just wearing a bra because I just couldn't be bothered to put on a t-shirt. Sorry. But I love this look so much. I think it's so chic, professional, but like a bit more fashion forward, I guess. And outfit number 5, the blazer over a dress, specifically a slip dress. I do this all the time. I love it. I think it looks so chic. This is a slip dress from Aritzia, and this is an Isabel Marant. Oh, just found a hair elastic. An Isabel Marant dark gray kind of plaid blazer. Such a good classic cut. You could do black, obviously. You can do whatever color you want, but I just kind of liked the play with dark colors, but a different pattern. And then I'm wearing these Regina Pio sandals. But if I went outside in this right now, I would probably get hypothermia. But that's it. 5 ways to wear a blazer. I'm sure there are more. If you guys have a favorite way to wear your blazer, let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't already. I have a ton of videos in my top 5 series, and I will link some of them below for you. I never know what to say on these outros. Okay, bye.